Client moved for work and assumed moving expenses were automatic. They entered a big number from memory and hit submit, and then got a CRA request asking for details. That's when they called me, stressed, saying, Ryan, I didn't know there were rules. Moving expenses can be legitimate, but eligibility depends on why you moved, how far you moved, and what income you're moving to earn. The client had receipts, but no structure. Some costs were eligible, some weren't, and the paperwork didn't clearly support the claim. CRA wasn't accusing them of anything, they just wanted it to make sense. We reconstructed the move: old address, new address, employment letter, start date, and distance tests. We sorted out expenses into eligible categories such as transportation, storage, temporary lodging within limits, and certain travel costs, and remove items that shouldn't be claimed. Then we responded to the CRA with an organized package instead of a chaotic photo dump. The claim held up, the review closed, and the client kept the deduction without further back and forth. The client told me, I felt like I was being audited. I said, you weren't being audited, you were being asked to explain. The moral of the story here is that deductions still need structure. Get it reviewed in January at ryanelliott.ca.